ready? Yeah, we're just gonna yank all this out. Okay, now we're gonna dig. Now we're gonna dig.
He likes that idea.
Dig for potatoes. Oh, look. See? See this? This is what we're digging for. Yeah, potato. Potato. You find one? No, not the dirt, just the potato. Dig for the potato. See? Look, right there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're getting a lot out of this. They did so well in the Smart Pot. This thing is full of them. There you go. Look at that one. Whoa! Here we go. Yep. Go put them in the pile. Go put them with those over there. See those? Go put them with those. That's one way to do it. I think we got them all. High five. Got it.